Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-02432 error in Oracle database 12c. So I have logged into the SQL Plus editor as a common user called c#scott. Make sure that you have enough permission to execute the SQL queries. So now what I am going to do, I am going to alter one table. So I am going to alter one table, alter table employees, enable primary key, alter table employee, enable primary key. You can see ORA-02432 cannot enable primary key not defined for table, error is thrown. So without knowing, unknowingly I have enabled the primary key for the table called employees. Okay, so which means that there is no primary key for this table called employees. Unknowingly I have typed the query enable primary key. So now what I am doing, I am adding the primary key constraint. So now I am adding the primary key constraint for the employee number column. Okay, so now primary key is created. Now primary key is available for employees table. Okay, now I am executing the query alter table employees enable primary key. So now the query is executed successfully. So this is the fix for ORA-02432 cannot enable primary key not defined for table. So make sure that primary